What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1364. We're sitting at market cap of 164 billion, 24-hour volume 12.77 billion. If you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. My favorite exchange for trading, $4,000 blast off bonus for 13 more days. We'll also receive free Discord access if you email me your sign up email for Bybit. I will give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All links are in the comments, and my exact entries for my trades are coming in at 10 bucks a month. Let's drop into Ethereum. Gonna start here on the 4-hour time frame. So this is the bullish wave count that I don't think is likely. I probably shouldn't show you guys this first because I don't think it's a likely scenario. Now we're coming down in a 5-wave move in a regular ABC correction. We come down, we complete a wave 2 around 1,000 to about 1291, and then we push up in a wave 3, and this was the bottom for ETH. I don't think it's likely, but I show it to you guys anyways because we always have to look at both scenarios, and I tell you which one I think is more probable. But I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So we have reached our wave 4 pullback zone. We could be going through an ABC correction. But quite possibly we've already completed the wave 4, and now we're going to come down in a wave 5. If we were to push up from here and we break the 0.5, then we have to be looking at a 5-wave move already being complete and seeing a wave 2 pullback. However, if we start to come down here in our wave 5, take your trend base extension from the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3 to the top of wave 4, and you can drop in a wave 5 target. The 0.618 extension at 1156 would be your target for wave 5. So we'll put it in between the 0.5 to 0.618. Anything below the wave 3 can complete a wave 5, but what you'd be looking for is a 5-wave move to the downside in a wave 5 to basically complete the wave 3, which would be here in green. And then you would see a wave 4 and you would see a wave 5. But I do not like this wave count, because if this is an exaggerated ABC correction and you're coming down in a wave C, well, if you take your trend based fib extension from the top of wave 1 to the bottom to the top of wave 2, a wave 3 target is the 1.618, which is all the way down here at 819. Unless you're looking at this as a completed wave 1 and this is a wave 2 pullback, that's the other bullish scenario. Both I don't think are likely, but they are possible. All right, guys, the wave count that I'm looking at, that I mentioned in each and every video, is that this is a wave 4 pullback. We still have one more wave down in the market to bring us down in between 540 and 650. I've been taking heat for it this entire pump. I'm still taking heat for it. It's just my opinion. It's what the charts are telling me, and everyone will start praising me if we do reach it to those levels. But until then, I have to pretend that sticks and stones are the only thing that hurt me. All right, guys. So this is the wave count I'm looking at, is that we're coming down in a wave 3. This is a completion of a wave 4, completed a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Now we're coming down in a wave 3. We're looking to complete that 5-wave move. I do think this is a wave 4 pullback. I could be wrong. If we do push higher, we'd have to look at a wave 1 being completed and look at a wave 2. But I do think we're going to come down in a wave 5 here. Let me make sure that this measurement is correct. If this were to be the top of the wave 4, yeah, this measurement is correct for a wave 5 in between 1110 and 1112. And that would be the completion of the wave 1 of the wave 3. Then you'd see a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which would bring you down to the proper price target of a wave 3 to the downside in between about 695 to 806. And that's from the all-time high, all right, guys, not the irregular ABC correction. So that's what I'm looking at, as I mentioned in my videos. I guess you guys are probably tired of hearing that, but it's important to repeat it. Now, if we look here, what I want, this is not the chart that I want. ETH/USD. This is the Bybit chart. Yeah, it is. So I need what chart could I use here? Kraken. Yeah, this, no, because I'm sorry, guys. Let's try Gemini. Can we use Gemini? Yes, we can use Gemini. So what I want to show you guys here, I posted this in my Discord community, is this head and shoulders pattern. We've broken the neckline. Head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. Two most successful patterns to reach their target, especially in a bear market. Here is the bear market of 2018. What do you see, guys, with this relief rally? Boom, head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Exact same pattern before we continue to drop here. Exact same pattern. So I do think continuation to the downside, putting in a lower low and coming down to your next strong level of support in between 500 to 650 is the likely scenario. All right, guys. That's basically it for this update. If we do come down and break this low, then look for a wave 5 target to take you down around 1,000 to about 1,200. 1.1 to about 1,200. But if we do push up, we could be putting in a ABC correction, wave A. This is a wave B. We push up in a wave C. However, I need to remove one of these fibs. However, if we do come, let me make sure that this is correct with the Fibonacci here. Just gonna take this fib out quickly. Okay, yeah, this looks good. So if we come up and we break 1459, that invalidates a wave 4 pullback, and we have to be looking at a wave 2. I don't think it's likely, but the Fed interest rate hike is coming out in 45 minutes. So that will cause some volatility, but personally, I think we're going to continue to come down. But of course, anything can happen. I could be wrong. If we do pump up, all we're looking at is a wave 2 pullback instead of a wave 4. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. As I mentioned, if you sign up to Bybit and you email me with your sign up email, you get free access to all chat rooms, over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits, as well as my analysis. We're currently in profits on a Bitcoin trade, and I post my analysis. Sign up to the Patreon, $10 a month. Check out my full length tutorial on Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.